Let me show you how you guys can fix suspended Facebook Marketplace. If you're suspended in Facebook Marketplace for a wrong reason, the only thing you can do is just report it. So for that, you can click on menu at the bottom and you can scroll down until you see the option help and support. Once you see help and support, click on it. From here, click on report a problem. Once you're inside here, choose the option report problem. Inside here, scroll down until you see marketplace and click on it. Once you click on it, at the top, click on where it says what went wrong, and over here explain your problem, like, hey, I got suspended in Facebook Marketplace for no reason. Can you look at why I got suspended? I think I got suspended by mistake. Can you help me fix it? After you write that, or after you thoroughly explain why you think you got suspended and explain that, and click on send at the top right, our report will be sent to Facebook. Once Facebook looks into the report, they're going to unsuspend you. But if they think that the activities you did was wrong and they suspended you for that reason, you're not going to get unsuspended. So keep that in mind. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.